Buhari shocked as singer Teni snubbed him during national award. Popular Nigerian singer Teni, popularly known as Teni, was live at International Conference Center in Abuja on Tuesday, October 11, 2022, where she and other prominent figures in the country were conferred national honors by President Buhari. A video showed the moment Buhari presented Teni with her award, but Teni's attitude have got many mouths talking as she snubs President Buhari. Just watch the video for yourself and drop your opinion.
Apata Propularly. That's it. Yeah, mama. Apata Propularly. That's it. Yeah, mama.
If it is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post interesting videos like this. In this channel, I share educative and informative videos about entertainment gist, tradition, and many more. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.